wonder why some days are hot, sunny, while others are cold and stormy? So behind every change in the sky is a powerful traveler. The air mass, the giant bodies of air, move across the earth, carrying the heat, cold, and moisture that shape our weather. Every single day, from tropical warmth to polar chill, air masses are the invisible forces that makes our world's weather come alive. So, what is an air mass? So, an air mass is a large body of air that has similar temperature, humidity, and pressure all throughout. So, isipin mo lang na parang siyang malaking bubble na nagpo-form in a certain area na kung saan ina-adapt niya yung weather sa place na yon. So, pag nag-form siya sa ibabaw ng ocean, nagiging moist siya. Pag naman sa land, nagiging dry. Pag sa polar poles naman ay nagiging cold, while naman pag sa equator or near the equator ay nagiging warm siya. So meron tayong mga four types. Meron tayong continental polar na kung saan malamig, while sa mga maritime na polar naman is nagpo-form siya sa ocean na kung saan doon din ay malamig.
Air masses are huge bodies of air that brings different kinds of weather. So we have the continental tropical that forms over hot, dry land like desert, bringing clear, hot, and dry weather. We have also the maritime tropical that forms over warm oceans, bring humid air, rain, and storms. When different air masses meet, they form fronts. So what is the importance of air mass? When different air masses meet, they form fronts, where warm air rises, cools, and create clouds and rain. Even though we can see them, air masses shape the weather we feel every day, from the heat of the desert to the rain of the tropics.